Hi friends, today I'm going to make a eggless plum cake with and without oven. It is very easy, tasty and moist. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's soak the dry fruits. Here I've taken 300 gram of dry fruits and 50 gram of nuts. I have taken dates, cherries and tutti fruttis. The measurement of the ingredients will be given in the description down below. Pour half cup of orange juice into the dry fruits. Remove the seeds from the orange juice. Also here I have taken 50 gram of nuts, but I am not adding it in the dry fruits. Mix well, cover it with a plate and keep it aside. Keep it for at least half an hour or overnight. Now let's make the caramel syrup. Add half cup of sugar. When the edges become light golden color, stir it well. When it starts to boil, add 1/4 cup of water. Keep a distance and pour the water as it may splash. Stir it well. Let it cool down. You should add the caramel syrup only after it is completely cooled down. The caramel syrup should be in a honey consistency. It is ready. Now let's prepare the cake mold. Here I have taken 6-inch square and round mold. Grease it with oil or butter and keep the butter paper. Grease it again after you keep the butter paper. Don't apply more oil as the edges will become hard. Now the cake molds are ready. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. Sieve 1.5 cup of flour with 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Sieve it well and keep it aside. Next, drain the soaked orange juice. Here I got 1 tablespoon of remaining juice. Now let's powder the sugar with spices. Take 3/4 cup of sugar and add 4 cardamoms, 1.5 inch piece of cinnamon, small piece of nutmeg and 3 cloves. Grind it together. Now the sugar powder is also ready. Let's start preparing the batter. Soften 50 gram of butter. Add the powdered sugar little by little and mix well. Then add half cup of thick curd. Mix it well. Add the remaining sugar powder little by little and mix well. Mix well. Add 1/4 cup of oil and just give it a mix. Add the half cup of caramel syrup. Also add the lemon zest of 1 whole lemon and the orange zest of 1 whole orange. Mix it well. Then add the dry ingredients little by little and mix well. Before adding the last batch of the dry ingredients, preheat the cooker for 5 to 7 minutes in high flame. Also in oven, preheat it in 180 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add the last batch of dry ingredients and the 1 tablespoon of juice from the soaked dry fruits. Mix it well. Also coat the dry fruits with 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour so that it doesn't sink while baking. Add it to the batter and mix well. Pour the batter into both of the molds equally. Level it and tap it to remove air bubbles. Bake for 45 to 1 hour in low flame. In oven, bake in 170 degrees Celsius for 45 to 1 hour. Check the cake with a toothpick or a fork. If it comes out clean, the cake is baked. Demold the cake after it is cooled down. Cover it with a plastic wrap or a cling wrap and store it in an airtight container. It is better to cut the cake after 2 days. Then it will be very moist and it will be even tastier. This plum cake can be stored up to 1 week. The details are given in the description down below. Make sure to try this recipe and let me know your comments in the comment section down below. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.